Hey DVMers, today I'm going to show you how to use Discord. So now, I've already covered the whole setup part, so once you're in Discord, this is what it's going to look like. Luckily for you, it won't be so busy, but you still might be a bit overwhelmed with notifications. So I'll try to keep that very simple. So over here, you have the list of servers. So usually you'll start on the home page, which is this one. And then you have all of your servers here. This is going to be the main spots for interaction. I'd recommend you just have the DVM server for starters and just use that. So now I'm going to be hopping over with some friends to play a game, and this is where there's like the server interaction that kind of meets the individual GMs. So over here you can see that the server is very busy too, and that's going to be the biggest challenge. I would give you take a day at least to just get familiar with it. And the most important thing is just to see that here there's text and there's voice. So there's a big difference in those things, because text rooms are just what you would expect from the regular Discord or Messenger or Instagram. It's just like a DM group chat. But now you can see usually you just have like a few of those. Now there's like a heck of a lot of ones. This is like a full Discord server. But for DVM, we'll keep it really simple. We'll have at first just one text chat and one voice chat. So if you want to hop in voice chat, you just click on it. So I can go here in general. Then if other people join, they can hear me. And you just click this to hop out. When you're in a voice chat, you use this to mute, this to deafen yourself, and that's going to make it so that you don't hear other people and they don't hear you. And then the most important thing too is that you'll see there's people here on the right side. Well, it connects with your home. So your home is really it's what it is. It's the home page, and that's going to be where you're going to have your DMs, where you'll just usually have all of the information. You can see your friends too. So now, if I want to click on a chat, I just click here, and I can check. And yep, now we're going for the setup. So I can tell them like, okay, meet me in the so I can tell that, and then I can also, if they're my friends, I can just invite them over. So if I go over here in games, we can talk. Hey, how are you? You ready for some DOS 2? So this is basically how it works, and then we can set up a game, and you can see he's live streaming a game here. So what's cool is that if you don't own the game, you can just see people playing, and you can also live stream like movies, series, anything really. And you see, he won't hear me because I'm on mute. That's how it works basically, but I can still hear him. So yeah, that's about all you need to know about Discord, and I hope this helps, and that you be ready to tackle this, albeit complicated app, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. Like, you can listen to music, you can chill with your friends. It's really good for playing games too. And there's some games that are really nice that are free. So like Among Us, there's some VR applications for chilling, like Rec Room. There's also Jackbox games, which are really, really fun, free to use platforms. So I hope this helps, and I look forward to meeting you in our next Discord event. Peace out, folks.